this video tutorial, we will see how to print alphabet triangle pattern. Let's move to Visual Studio Code and execute this pattern. We can see in this pattern, every line begins with space characters. Those space characters are gradually decreasing line by line from 8 to 0 in the range of 2, 8, 6, 4, 2 and 0. Those space characters are appended with alphabet characters. These alphabet characters are gradually increasing line by line from 1 to 9 in the range of 2, 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Along with every alphabet, a single space character is appended. So let's type code to print this pattern. Starting from I, declare and initialize a variable with 0. We are going to use while loop here while I less than 5. 5 is nothing but the required number of iterations. Here, at the end of every iteration, we are going to increase I value by 1. So I value will be 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. At the end of 5th iteration, I value will become 5. 5 less than 5, condition is false and iteration is going to stop here. So let's print the result. Print. We are going to combine two spaces here. In the first line, there are 8 space characters. So 4 minus I is going to give us 4. Multiply by 2 space character, which is going to print 8 space, then 6, then 4, then 2 and 1 space character. Space characters are appended with alphabet character. Here, alphabet character is starting from A. 65 is the ASCII value for capital A plus I, which is going to print A, then B, then C, then D and E. Along with every alphabet, a single space character is appended. So here, in the first line, there is a single alphabet. So I into 2 plus 1, I into 2 plus 1 is going to print first line alphabet A, then 3B, then 5C, then 7D and 9E. To run this file in the terminal, py triangle.py. This is our expected triangle pattern. In the next video tutorial, we will see another type of alphabet triangle pattern.